Exclusive to Sydney Tools this tax time is this cracking 2-for-1 from Bosch. Now this kit contains a 3 green beam line level laser, as well as a laser distance measure, 2 3Ah 12-volt batteries and charger all in one. Now you can power that 3 beam laser with either of the 12-volt batteries that come with the kit. It also comes with an adapter and 4 AA's as well, so you've got 2 power options. And another unique feature is that it can be wirelessly controlled via Bluetooth and the remote app. Now the laser's got a working range of 20 meters indoors and up to 50 meters outdoors when used with a receiver like this optional LR7. You just need to switch the laser over to outdoor receiver mode to get that larger range. It's self-leveling, highly accurate, and it comes with both a wall and a tripod mount as well. They have fine tuning on them, so you can really dial in your laser for the task at hand. It also comes with a soft case for the laser unit and a hard case for the laser and all those included accessories as well. So your leveling, your plumbing, your setting out, that's all taken care of, but your measuring up, they've also included the distance measure as well with a range of up to 50 meters for fast, accurate measuring. It's compact, powered by 2 AA's and jam-packed with features and modes, and are really easy to read display even outdoors in the sun. All those modes have really helpful visualizations to make your life easier. I also love that little spirit level bubble that tells you what angle you're holding it on, so you can be super accurate. And it also has a tape measure mode, which is a bit of fun for those that feel nostalgic. Built for the job site, it's IP65 rated for water and dust. It's also been drop tested for up to 1.5 meters. And it'll also fit in that hard case with all the accessories and that line laser that's all included in this kit. All this has got a retail value of this side of $1,000, and we've slashed that for tax time. It's a limited offer, just $725 while stocks last. So make sure you're heading to your local Sydney Tools store in the Bosch aisle to check that out. Get one for yourself, or you can head online to sydneytools.com.au for the full specs on all this gear. And you can hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.